Hey everyone. Is it working? It's Tad again. I don't know if everyone noticed, but someone hacked into my YouTube and posted a video of a guy that I don't know. Everyone seemed to like it, and I don't really want to get rid of that guy's, first video. So, I'm gonna leave it on until I find him. That way I can, transfer it for him. But that gave me more time to do internet dating. And so that actually led to, through my experiences, coming up with 3 big tips for you for internet dating. The first big tip is don't lie about yourself. I tried this by taking a picture of myself, cutting my face off, and putting it on the body of an action star. That worked all right for getting the date, but once I was on the date, she laughed hysterically at me as soon as she showed up, and it was really bad for my self-esteem, and I cried on my neighbor's porch until they called the police. But the second tip I have is definitely be mysterious. Don't give too much information away, because if you do, everyone won't want to learn more about you. So I filled in several times will reveal later, and when I did that, I got several responses, especially when I put it on my interests. And people sent me things like pickup lines, like, hey, are you a serial killer? But I don't know how that pickup line ends. I'm not totally sure. It's probably very illicit. And other people just ask me questions like, dude, why are you wearing tinfoil in all your pictures? But that's just a silly question because everyone knows why you would wear tinfoil. But the third tip that I have for you is make sure you establish phone contact before you go on your first date. Now, I didn't do this twice, and it turned out really bad. So, definitely do that. I'll tell you what happened to me. The first time I didn't establish phone contact, I showed up and waited, and finally my date showed up, but instead of being a female, it was a guy dressed as a female, and he was really sweet and had very soft hands, but being a guy, I wasn't interested. But the second time, the girl that I'm doing this to forget, she went ahead and made a fake profile and got me to go on a date, and when I went on the date, instead of her showing up, it was her brother Bruiser, and he kind of surprised me, but thanks to my ninja training, I got away pretty safely. So thank goodness for that. But yes, guys, those are my tips for this week. Thank you all for tuning in again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.